This is the new HP Sprocket 200 printer. We're going to show you how to do the unboxing and some cool features that this new printer offers. So let's open up the box. You can actually pull the tab over here, but we choose to remove it from the sides. So this is the printer itself. It's got the sprocket setup instructions and the zinc photo paper. So this is 2x3 inch and it consists of 10 sheets. Do note that it comes with a sticky back. And one thing to note, this is the same zinc photo paper that is used in the HP Sprocket as well as the HP Sprocket 2-in-1 photo printer. It's got some regulatory information and a limited warranty statement. It also comes with a USB charging cable for you to charge your phone. So this is the HP Sprocket 200 printer. It comes with a magnetic cover that you can close and open with 4 magnets over here, and this is where you load the paper. So let's load the paper into this printer. As mentioned, it supports 2x3 photo paper, so we will just use back what we have previously. So this is a zinc photo paper. So it's important that we load the paper with this part facing downwards, this way. So that's how you load the paper into the Sprocket 200. And over here you've got the power button, so you can press and hold to power it on. So you'll notice that once it power on and it detects that the calibration sheet is inside, it will do a calibration. So this is the calibration sheet on the HP Sprocket 200. I think this is a slight change from the previous version of the Sprocket, whereby the calibration sheet will only be printed once you send a photo. So this is certainly an improvement in experience. Let us now move on to using the HP Sprocket Apps. We will now show you how to download the HP Sprocket Apps and pair it with your HP Sprocket 200. So let's go to the Play Store. From the Play Store, do a search for HP Sprocket. This is the apps that you need to install to use your HP Sprocket printers. So let's tap on Install. Once the HP Sprocket apps is installed, tap on Open. So let's set up my printer, which is the first option. We need to tap on this checkbox over here and let's go. So let's enable the full Sprocket experience. Go to Next. So we need to select our Sprocket. So we have loaded the paper. Let's go to Next. It's charged and power on. And let's get connected. So it has found our HP Sprocket 200. Let's select that. So there's a Bluetooth pairing request for the Sprocket 200. Let's select OK. So this is a very simple setup using the HP Sprocket apps. Let's go to next. We can use our camera to take photos and review extra content on our prints. So let's enable that. Similarly, we can take videos using the Sprocket camera. Go to next. We can review with the Augmented Reality. So we will enable review. Let's try that feature. So as you can see, the review feature is showing that the printer is in sleep mode. Isn't that cool? So let's tap on this icon over here to go back to the gallery. So this is the gallery from our phone. We're going to show you that we can print a screenshot from a video and then that it will display the video after the printout. Let's select a photo from our gallery. Let's select the frame to print. We'll select this frame to print. Tap on the check at the top right hand corner. So we have just selected a screen grab from a video. Let's tap on the print button. So it's embedding the experiences and is now printing to our HP Sprocket. So this is a printout from the HP Sprocket. We're going to show you some magic. So tap on this icon over here. And I'm going to scan the photo. So as you can see here, the AR has managed to scan the photo and is now playing the video that is on my handphone itself. So this is the review feature on the HP Sprocket apps. So besides that, you can print other photos and we can just play around with this printer. Next, we're going to show you how to charge the Sprocket 200. So this is the cable that came with the Sprocket. We'll use it, and for convenience we'll use a power bank. So plug one end of the cable into the power bank and plug the other end into the Sprocket USB port over here. You'll notice that when it's charging, the LED becomes red in color. So we'll leave it to charge at least 60 to 90 minutes. So this is what we have for our HP Sprocket 200.